You plug in your Keydiy KD-X4, everything looks perfect, firmware updated, software ready, and just when you think the job is about to start, boom, a login reminder message stops the whole process cold. If you've ever stared at that screen wondering what went wrong and whether you missed a hidden step, this one is for you. Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted place for real workshop knowledge, practical diagnostics, and honest programming solutions. Today we're breaking down a very specific but very common headache with the Keydiy KD-X4 when working on VAG 5C and 5D Immobilizer systems, especially on newer MQB vehicles. And yes, the fix is simpler than most people think. Before we go any further, if Baabji Motors has helped you avoid even one wasted hour in the workshop, take a quick second to like the video and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and keeps this kind of real-world content coming. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. It's meant to help technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts understand the process better. Any visuals or references fall under fair use for education and review. Trademarks belong to their respective owners, and always follow manufacturer instructions and local laws when working on vehicles. Also, if you're curious about the exact tools used here, you'll find them linked in the description. Those are affiliate links, which means supporting the channel at no extra cost to you, and I genuinely appreciate that support. Now here's the real question I want you thinking about as we go through this. Is this login reminder error actually a user mistake, or is it a software limitation that most technicians are not being told about? Stick with me till the very end, because the answer can save you serious time and frustration. So let's talk about the problem first, the exact way it usually happens in the workshop. You connect your Keydiy KD-X4 to your laptop using a USB cable. You install the Keydiy application on a Windows 11 system. You update the Keydiy X4 firmware to the latest available version. Everything completes successfully, no errors at all. Feeling confident, you enter Immobilizer programming, select Volkswagen, choose by type, pick the 5C or 5D Immobilizer system, and start the procedure. And then, instead of moving forward, the screen throws up a login reminder message. At this point, most technicians assume something is wrong with the update, the cable, the laptop, or even their internet connection. Some people repeat the process again and again, others reinstall software, and a few even blame the car. Here's the truth, and this is where Baabji Motors keeps it real. The VAG MQB49 platform with 5C and 5D Immobilizer add key functionality is not yet released on the Keydiy PC software. That login reminder message is not a fault. It's basically the software saying, I'm not ready for this function yet. Yes, that's the whole issue. No hidden menu, no secret password, no advanced login that you're missing. The function simply does not exist on the PC side right now. It's like asking a calculator to make coffee. Technically impressive device, wrong job. So what's the actual solution that works today? Instead of using the Windows PC software, you need to switch to the Keydiy mobile application on an Android phone. The Android app already supports the MQB49 5C and 5D Immobilizer functions that are missing on the PC version. Once you log in through the Android app and perform the procedure there, the login reminder problem disappears because the function is properly supported. This is one of those moments where software development lags behind real workshop needs. It's frustrating, but once you know the reason, it stops being confusing. And just to be clear, this is not a hardware limitation of the Keydiy KD-X4 itself. The device is fully capable. It's purely about which platform currently supports which function. There is also an important update you should know. Keydiy has already confirmed that the MQB49 5C and 5D functionality will be released later on KDMP and PC software. It's coming, just not available yet at the time of this video. Until that release officially rolls out, Android is the correct and working path. Now let's circle back to the question from earlier. Was the login reminder error your mistake? The answer is no. It's a software availability limitation, not a technician error. And once you understand that, it turns a frustrating dead end into a simple platform switch. Personally, I actually like that Keydiy is expanding support step by step instead of pushing unstable features. Yes, it slows us down sometimes, but in the long run, stable Immobilizer programming saves more cars and more reputations than rushed updates ever will. Here's a quick tip before we wrap up. Always check which platform supports a function before starting a job. PC, Android, and tablet versions do not always match feature for feature, even with the same device. That one habit alone can save you hours. If this explanation cleared things up for you, I really want to hear your experience. Drop a comment and tell me whether you ran into this issue on PC or figured it out another way. Let's help other technicians avoid the same confusion. And now, let's push this one together. If you found this video genuinely useful, smash that like button, aim for 10,000 likes, drop your thoughts so we can hit 1,000 comments, and share it with someone in your workshop who might be stuck on the same error. Subscribe to Baabji Motors if you want more honest, real-world diagnostics content, and consider joining the channel membership to directly support deeper guides like this. The YouTube algorithm only pushes what people engage with, and I know my loyal subscribers will definitely show up and help make this channel #1. Thanks for watching, keep learning, keep upgrading your skills, and, as always, happy diagnosing.